Have you guys seen the rosemary water hack that people have been sharing all over the internet? I have not tried it, but I'm going to make it today, and I figured I would just, show you guys what I'm doing. It's supposed to help with scalp health. It's supposed to help with hair growth, hair thinning, and just supposed to help your hair be thicker and healthier. So my hair's fine. It's just kind of there. It's like, I feel like I'm in that kind of blah spot in the winter. I have thyroid issues, so I feel like my hair falls out when I have thyroid issues, and then it does grow back when my thyroid health balances back out, but it takes a little while. I feel like I'm always trying to do whatever I can to add a little bit more volume to my hair. So this is supposed to help. We'll see. It's just rosemary and water. And then I'm going to add some mint and some cloves as well, because that's what some other people say to try. But really all you need is rosemary and water and a spray bottle. That's awesome. How much? Yeah.
Once you're done with that,
Yes.
come with me.
Okay.
You're looking for this?
I am, Heidi. As soon as I pour this in. I just have to pour this in first, and then I'll put that in, okay?
And then you come with me?
Yes.
Is that soap?
No, you know what it is?
What?
It's for Mom's hair. Isn't that silly?
Yeah.
It's supposed to help my hair be healthy.
Then put it in.
Well, I will. I'm going to spray it in my hair every day.
So spray it in your hair right now.
Hold on.
Hey, I know! I never do that. Plus, we have to move these. Dad, no. Dad will see.
But making sure you get me.
So apparently the really important thing is to be very consistent with this, to do it at least once a day, if not twice a day, if you're not getting the results that you want. So I'm going to try once a day. I will keep this in my fridge when I am not using it, and it should keep in the fridge for about a week. And you're supposed to focus on your roots when you spray it in, not on the lengths of your hair.